It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
it really
alright.
doesn't matter.
Just got the Rashid 101. That's actually really sick. My buddy right here just clicked the thing, shut it off in the middle of the video.
It's your fault.
Sure. But yeah, see, like that's good.
No auto. I don't want to see the auto.
Yeah.
Because I don't. Oh, Dwight Howard.
That's not bad.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, Dwight. What's it, number 2?
Uno, 1 of 1.
Hopefully it's.
I can see it.
Hopefully it's low. Oh, 39.
That's like really, really good.
Alright, so
that's going on the top and
I have all this stuff left, and
now he'll let his buddies take over.
I mean, like,
now
you can, but
I'm gonna have buddies.
There are 18 packs.
Yeah, it's
18
good.
of them. Oh, patch.
No.
It's there.
I wish.
Kinda.
TP 75, 299.
You'll get a bonus. I guarantee it.
I doubt it.
What's that?
Jason Thompson, rookie 2009.
Dude, the Dwight's sick.
Yeah, you can open them.
I can go on the chopping block.
Alright.
I got the skinniest one.
They're all the same.
D-Rose, rookie card.
Nah, it's out of 2009,
It doesn't
but
matter.
yeah,
It's
that's
a
nice.
rookie card.
D-Rose.
Is that 2009?
Tyson Chandler
Oh.
out
What?
75.
T.
Was this at 75? No, 175. And then a D-Rose 2009.
Rookie. What if you got a D-Rose
This
that
one's
kind
kind of
of?
thick.
Or just a D-Rose 75.
I think this one's kind of
No, you
thick.
just go back.
Yeah.
Go like that.
Yeah, thick.
My hands are so greasy.
I don't think they are.
My hands are
Greasy.
like not greasy, but like slippery.
Eric Gordon, I think there's a number
Michael Beasley.
299. 299.
Alright.
Stay with it.
And then a Beasley 2000. 2009.
Wait, that's a Beasley rookie card?
Yeah, rookie.
They're good cards.
Yeah, I know. Especially because they're numbered, like.
Alright. We're coming over here. We finally got. Oh, look at that rip job. Alright. Mills. DJ Augustine.
to 175.
Oh, that one.
Let's peer over to here.
Hickson 2009.
Let the cameraman get one.
Yeah.
Here, hold
And
this back.
Dunleavy 2009.
Ready? Watch this. Let's go with this bad boy. Dope. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna get a
Bonus hit. Lowell Dang. Kid. Average. Artest and Eric Gordon rookie to 2009.
Another 34. Eric got 4.
How do you zoom that?
I don't know. Oh, you click like that on the
Oh,
side.
what is, you just put that there?
Just open it now.
Who cares? If we pull something, let's hold it
there's
up.
nothing good.
Get a bonus.
Too bad it's Rashid, but like, whatever.
Brandon Rush rookie card. And Al Horford 299.
Brandon Rush rookie. We got some good rookies in here.
Yeah, that's
Spread
what
these
I
bad
like,
boys
you know?
out. We got
All
Rush.
out of 2009.
Let's see which ones are good. Beasley.
D-Rose.
This bad boy. Yeah, put this on there. Oh, look at those.
Alright, here.
Rudy Fernand.
Bob.
Yeah.
Jose Calderon. I like that guy.
Yeah,
that guy's
nah.
299.
Calderon.
And Anthony Randolph 2009. 3 more packs.
Yeah,
If you missed it, the thing got shut off. I got this Rashid 101. Kevin Love jersey, Amari Stoudemire jersey, and a Dwight Howard.
Dwight's gonna be online for sale.
Yeah.
Either.
It actually
He's
probably
in the finals.
is.
They're probably gonna
Oh
win.
yeah.
That's my point.
Oh yeah.
That's why I said that.
He is. Monte Ellis, $2.99, and Maurice Spates, 2000.
Spider.
I'm surprised I'm getting these all high numbered. Nothing out of 75.
This is a product from the Urki brothers.
Here, yeah.
Yeah. You're about to,
OJ, I got all 3 of them.
you're about to,
Oh
1 of 1.
no.
Paul
No,
Gasol.
No.
Yes.
Gasol.
75. Yeah.
Shit.
See, I'm surprised I didn't get more 75.
I get a 1 of
A
1.
Pow. Maybe I'll do the Pow and a Dwight.
His
Two
parents.
finals.
Pows are. Is it,
And a OJ. OJ at a 2009.
Bob. Pow's
Stop.
Pow's parents are Asian.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. They are. I'm not even kidding. They are.
He's from Spain.
Oh.
Last pack.
We're getting a patch.
Dwayne.
Look at those guns.
Baron.
JJ Hickson again. Yes.
That was LeBron. I was like,
75.
That's not bad. At least I got another one out of 75. A rookie. And then a Ryan Anderson.
Oh.
So, thanks.
Sum up the